Good morning, this is Teresa Dotson, registered dietitian and owner of Nutrition Solutions for Life. Today on Fabulous Friday Fridge Finds, I'm going to highlight some of the superfood ingredients in my refrigerator. First of all, eggs. I'm fortunate enough, as you can see, these multicolored eggs, to receive fresh eggs from my son's girlfriend. They come in a variety of colors and they're always delicious and farm fresh. Eggs are good for you. They are a great source of healthy fats and vitamin D, and although they are high in cholesterol, overall they're considered a low-fat food. So please feel free to add eggs back into your diet. Instead of a pie crust, which is often high in fat, saturated fat, I'm going to substitute these low-carb tortillas. I've lined 2 pie plates with them. And then I also have some broccoli and some mushrooms. So one I'm going to do with broccoli, one I'm going to do with mushrooms, because some of the people in my house don't like mushrooms. And then for the base, I had a couple of slices of ham, which I sauteed with an onion, and one of my favorite superfoods, spinach. And as you can see, 2 cups of spinach, only 20 calories in all of these vitamins and minerals that you can see listed at the bottom. So it is truly a superfood. But 2 cups of spinach may seem like a lot. Saute it with some onions and some ham, and it really wilts down into not so much spinach, but you still have the same nutritional value. So eggs with a low carb tortilla crust instead of the high fat. I have a couple of leftover cheese chunks and some Mexican cheese here I'm gonna use. And the broccoli and the mushrooms to make a nutritious and delicious quiche. This is Teresa Dotson, Nutrition Solutions for Life, registered dietitian. Let me help you design a healthy eating plan for you.